thank you to those of you who commented about me planting some garlic in here. I am going to do it. I'm just, yeah, terrified of the allium leaf miner because it seems to be everywhere in the garden. So I'm at least going to get some elephant garlic in here, hopefully. So I'll show you what I'm doing. Now, these, as you can see, have been in these modules for quite some time, so they're well overdue for going out, but hopefully they'll do okay. A bit nearer. I'm going to plant them along the back here because then it's not going to interfere with the tomatoes and whatever else I decide to put in. So we'll give them a fair bit of room between each other. Right, where have I? Let's see if you can get them out of the trays. Wow. Let's have that a bit deeper. 1, 2, 3. I'm not going to get them all in here. I'm sure I can find somewhere to put the rest. As I said, I did well yesterday. I actually dug up the rest of my leeks. I will put some footage in at some point, but I lost all of those geranium leaf miner as well, so I have no leeks this year. I'm not impressed. I think that's going to be one of the worst pests that we're going to have. I can cope with caterpillars and everything else, but those you can't really do anything about. And I've just realised I haven't cut down my loofah yet, so this will be one of the next jobs. This is going to need good water. Plastics. I keep thinking I must have got all my garlic out by now, but I'm not sure. I do have some more, but whether I'm going to put those out, I don't know. And one more in here. So I don't know, has everybody else got their garlic in? I'm surely not the last one to still be doing it. Hopefully. Right, oh my god, I've still got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 elephant garlic there. I can probably get 3 or 4 on the other side, but we'll see. I've used up half of it with my cold frame, so I can't do too much more there, but I could put some in the other greenhouse, I suppose. So yeah, you know, hopefully they'll do okay. Okay, right, onwards and upwards.